Hello everybody. Innovation Roots, in collaboration with Agile Network India, Michael Spayd and Michael Hamman, has brought great opportunity for you to attend Transforming Agile Management workshops in India. Michael Spayd is an Agile transformation pioneer, president of The Collective Edge, author of upcoming book Coaching the Agile Enterprise, co-founded Transformation.Coach, co-founded Agile Coaching Institute and acted as Chief Executive of Agile Coaching Institute in the past. And Michael Hamman, founder Michael Hamman Consulting, author of Evolve Agility, co-founder and managing partner of Agile Leadership Institute, senior faculty member of Agile Coaching Institute. The workshop will happen on 2nd and 3rd February at Gurugram and on 5th and 6th February 2020 at Mumbai. So who must attend this workshop? Agile coaches, Agile practitioners, transformation consultants, managers, HR professionals, organizational change agents, executives and anyone who have a leadership role and management role, who want to dramatically increase their ability to bring about sustained agility in the organization. Some key takeaways of the workshops are: a powerful approach to help you catalyze broad organizational change, clarity on the inner assumptions, beliefs and personal stories which limits leadership agility. You will walk away with a plan of specific practices to speed the evolution of your capacity to lead and manage in an agile environment. You will have been started within yourself a significant shift in how you are being as a leader. Don't miss this exclusive chance to attend this workshop. Register now at www.innovationroots.com. Thank you.